In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring, hotness, in Salesflare. While many CRMs make you build complex point systems, Salesflare keeps it simple with an automatic hotness score. Instead of assigning custom points and weights, Salesflare continuously looks at how engaged each contact or account is and turns that into a clear, visual indicator. You'll see this as a flame icon next to a lead or account, which tells you at a glance who's active and worth your attention right now. Here's what feeds that hotness score. Salesflare tracks recent engagement signals like email opens, link clicks in your emails, website visits, and the volume of emails exchanged. It combines these behaviors and emphasizes recency, typically weighing the last few days most heavily. That means hotness is time-sensitive. When someone is interacting a lot this week, they heat up. If activity cools down, the score naturally fades. This keeps your attention focused on the people who are actually engaging in the moment. To put this into action, start by viewing and filtering by hotness. Head to your contacts, accounts, or leads. Scan for the flame indicator next to each record, then use filters such as hot or on fire to quickly pull up the most engaged group. This is your fast lane to prioritization. Instead of guessing who to contact, let the hotness filter surface the best bets. Next, prioritize your follow-up. Click into a hot lead to see the activity timeline: opens, clicks, site visits, and emails exchanged. Use that context to time your outreach. If they clicked a link recently or opened multiple times in a short window, reach out while you're top of mind. Create a follow-up task or start your message right from the record. Keep your outreach relevant to what they engaged with and move quickly. Hotness is dynamic, and speed often wins. Finally, turn on live notifications so you know instantly when a lead becomes hot. Real-time alerts help you respond at precisely the right moment. When you get a notification, jump into the record, review the latest engagement, and act. This is especially powerful during working hours or active campaigns, when minutes can make a difference. That's the beauty of Salesflare's hotness scoring. No configuration, no spreadsheets, just automatic, behavior-driven prioritization. Use the hotness filters daily, follow up based on recent actions, and lean on notifications to stay timely. With this approach, you'll spend more time with leads who are actually ready to talk and less time guessing who to contact next.